Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking specific email contacts on your iPhone or iPad running iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. First, we'll decide what happens to emails from blocked contacts. To do that, open up the Settings app. Scroll down and open Mail from Settings. In the Mail settings, tap on Blocked Sender Options. Decide whether to keep blocked emails in the inbox or send them directly to the trash. Now we have done that, open the Mail app. Find an email from the sender you want to block. Where it says From at the top, tap the sender name. Tap Block this contact. Tap Block this contact again. That contact is now blocked. Emails that they send in the future will now be sent directly to the trash. If you go back into Settings and into Mail Settings and then tap on Blocked Contacts, you can see a list of the mail contacts you have blocked. You can add new email addresses manually here by tapping Add New and then entering their email. If you want to remove someone from your blocked list, tap Edit, and then tap the red minus beside the contact you want to unblock to remove them from the blocked list. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.